My name's Mr Lambert. We lived here for 2 years. We had a pergola fitted by Broadview Shading Solutions. We've done a wonderful job, fitted the pergola with additional extras of heating, blinds and lighting. So we had the pergola installed because we've got south facing house, and in the summer it just got too hot, so we couldn't work out how to shade ourselves. Umbrellas got blown over all the time, so we ended up going for a structure that was fixed to the patio, which stopped that problem happening. Broadview I found on the internet, and they came up very highly recommended, had good reviews. I spoke to the team there, spoke to Melissa, who was very informative, very professional. I decided to use them for that reason. So when I first got the quote, I inquired for a few different places, and there was a company from Germany, I know this one's from Belgium, so good quality. The first quote I got was probably a third more. So I was pleased when Melissa came up with the quote for this build. We like the lighting, but we thought that we would get the lighting, the LED lighting that actually goes round just for if we have a party or an occasion. It just adds something different to the system. The heating, because we are outside and we're in the UK, I just wanted something a bit better than the standard heating, so we upgraded to the infrared system, which we're really pleased with, and we used it on a number of occasions, even on a miserable Sunday having a roast dinner. We had the hot tub installed, and then we wanted to realise how we could use the hot tub if it was raining, and the system we've had installed is perfect. So we can just close the roof and close the blinds if it's a bit windy, which lets us use it all time of the year. I think the pergola will have added a cost to the house, and it's perfect for parties, even eating out if it's a little bit chilly, and we're probably going to use it Christmas Day because it's added another room to the house. So we ordered the pergola in January, and then we had it installed in March. Good comms with the team. The team come round, I think there were 3 fitters, all very professional, told us what was going to happen, and it took 2 days, and it's perfect. 100% recommend Broadview Shading Solutions. They're an excellent company, and I'll quite happily give them 5-star rating.